Smart automation, better business. Learn how to optimize your business with Solved.
Hello, everyone, and welcome. My name is Connor Sandstrom. I am a Revenue Cloud consultant, accredited professional, and here at Solved, we are one of the early adopters in RCA and Revenue Cloud experts. Today, we're going to continue to dive into Revenue Cloud to see how it can help automate your business. We're going to discuss how we can leverage product cost to impact pricing directly within Salesforce Revenue Cloud. In this walkthrough, we'll demonstrate how a cost-plus pricing model can be implemented, allowing your selling price to be dynamically calculated based on a product's unit cost. Okay, first up, we are going to take a look at our product setup as well as our cost book. So we're looking at our product right now. It's going to take a lot of the standard functionality that we need. We need categories, we need a product selling model option, and then we're going to need our price book entry. I've set my price book entry as 0 to demonstrate how I'm going to use the cost functionality and what that's going to look like when we get to the quote line. We also are using something called a cost book. I've titled this new cost book, and when I come to my related list, we'll be able to see the different cost book entries that I have. So I'm going to click into this for our standard office chair. We'll see that I have my cost book and then my product lookup. Next, we have our cost. This is what I am saying it takes me to make this product. Okay, for this setup, I have created a few different custom fields on the quote line item object. We're going to go through them now, and then we'll talk about how they're used. So I've created a field unit cost, where it's just a standard currency field. And then we have a marked up list unit price, which is a formula using our unit cost, and our markup percent, which is our other field. So our markup percent, this is going to reflect the percentage we are uplifting, our cost plus setup. We are going to set the unit cost through a flow that we'll dive into, and then we'll use these other fields on our transaction line editor. Next up, we are going to take a look at our flow that we are using to set our unit cost on quote lines. This is a before save flow of fast field updates where we are going to get the cost book entry using the product and the cost book ID. Then we are going to set the unit cost on the quote line based on the cost that we're getting from our cost book entry. Once we have this, we'll go onto our quote line and our formula and our other percent field that we've created will be able to do our math for us. We'll jump into a quote and we're going to test this out. But as you're doing this at home on your own, just want to point out, you will need to refresh your decision tables because if we've created a new product or updated pricing. So make sure you do that, and let's dive into our example. So I've created a test opportunity and a test quote to demonstrate how we'll add this and how this will function on our transaction line editor. So to add our new fields that we are going to use, you will simply come and edit page. And then you'll want to go to where your transaction line editor is. So right here, custom lines is the tab I have done. I've added the transaction line editor here, and I've added the display columns up here. We'll come back to our quote and go to our custom lines. We'll scroll over here, and I am going to search for the standard office chair. You'll notice that list price was 0. That's based on that price book entry that I set at the beginning. Go ahead and click save. We'll once this loads, we'll see our unit costs that came from our cost book. Right now, we have no markup percent. So I'm going to come in here and let's give it a 10% uplift. Once that saves, we'll see that it was marked up by 10%. That's our marked up list unit price that we can then use in our documents and be able to send that information down through our pricing procedure. In summary, using these steps, you will be able to do cost plus pricing in your organization today. Thank you for watching and taking time to learn how Revenue Cloud can automate your business. I hope you found this helpful. For more information, check out our other videos on YouTube on Revenue Cloud, or reach out to us by visiting our website solved.cloud. We would love to help you find ways that you can automate your business. Have a great day.
Thank you so much for watching. We can't wait to help you automate your business. Please like, comment, or subscribe for more.